to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Tina, and Tina is out for chocolate and vanilla. And she has a lot to say about them. And she also said that she wasn't the one who bothered them in the first place, but they were basically, allegedly, they came out for her because of Donna. So, guys, you have to catch the video and hear what Tina has to say about them. And remember, guys, to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so when I post, you know. And for all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful, beautiful birthdays today, it is Monday. Have yourselves a wonderful day. And I wish you prosperity beyond your measure and everything that your heart desires this year. And for all my other lovelies, my supporters, followers, friends, subscribers, whoever you may call me, have yourselves today a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day.
Mega finalize them two idiot there tonight, yeah. Mega finalize them two idiot there tonight. Because mega finalize them tonight. Because I wanna know them two idiot there, Sledgehammer and Vanilla. Sledgehammer and Dundus. This is how weird this entire situation is, guys. I'm not gonna try explain out nothing because I done a sharpshooter already. Yeah, I done in that mode there already. Because I one by one, you know. One by one, yeah? And for them number call, yeah? You tell me now how stupid this is. How dumb this is. Good night, Sonny. You tell me this is how dumb this is, right? I'm going to heaven. I'm going to heaven and God is going to bless me. Hey, Sean. Hey, Joy. I am going to heaven and God is going to bless me in heaven. Trust me. This I'm a soul I go. Hey, Carrie. Listen to me. May I send them go hell. That's what may I do, Tracy. May I send them right go hell where them belong. Right? This is how ridiculous this entire situation is. You see, all of them people here, where may I go for one by one? Oh, yeah. I know where I talk. I know where I talk, man, Tracy. Yeah. Yes, you see, all them people that when I go for one by one, I want you guys to understand this, right? Let me preface this, whatever, however you want to pronounce it. Preface, whatever, preface, right? Let me preface this by saying, anyone you see me making fun of, making a mockery of, most of these people you see me reading news about, they deserve every bit of what's coming to them. And I'm not done yet. Every bit of what's coming to them, right? Especially these two idiots that I dealt with yesterday and today, right? The one that will call themselves Vanilla and Chocolate. They all deserve it, all right? Especially Vanilla and Chocolate. Let me tell you how stupid this whole situation is. I do not know these two idiots from nowhere. Okay? Let me go again. Let me repeat it again for those of you who probably missed what I said. I do not know those two idiots from nowhere. I do not know those two idiots from nowhere. I don't know them from anywhere. Me not know them from nowhere. All right? I don't know how else to say it. I don't know those two old-grown turds from nowhere. Those two turds down in Atlanta, they just pick up something upon them head. We're not concerned them. And this is why we're here. Them just pick up something and decide for troll me on behalf of 99. And this is why we are here. Right? So them pick up something and a troll me for the past 2-3 years, and now me decide for fire back, and them feelings get hurt. Everybody get hurt. Everybody up in them feelings. So that's why we're here. This is how weird this entire situation is. Them two old goat down in Atlanta just decide to insert themselves and just pick up themselves and just start cussing me like that, you know? Just pick up themselves. That's what makes it so weird. The two of them pick up themselves out of nowhere. Me no know them from nowhere, never spoke to them, no see them, nothing. Them just pick it up on them head and decide, say, okay, them are going to cuss me off for 99. Right? And it ended up being a 3-year trolling thing for them. So how them I got in them feelings now when I put them in them place. I'ma find out what I find out about them. I find out the truth about them. All them I go feel hurt. What's there to feel hurt about? Chocolate and vanilla. Why would I feel hurt about? Wanna just take it and go about on the business. Because it's like when a teacher telling us say, it's like when our kids, right? Or when our parents look on and telling us say, don't touch this, don't touch that. And they still got touch it. And when it burn, your mother beat you on top of it. Are the same thing. Kind of like the same thing. I know no from nowhere. I know no. Who no man? Who no? Who no is? Who no just enough. Enough. I look followers, viewers, and enough. Enough. Me no know who no. And me are the star in this. And me are the star. Who no want to come for the star. And me are the star in this, you know. I uno want to come for the star now. Me never send come call, you know. I uno come after me. Right? Me there I mind my business. I focus on my craft and I grow my business and I build my business. I uno see me. Like the rest of 99 batty follower them. Uno see me. Me not see uno. Me not know from nowhere. But uno look followers and views. So uno itch on pa my name. For make people think that me and uno have problem. When the followers know, so I don't know from nowhere, I don't just pick it up on the head. The followers don't know that. Right? Uno followers know, don't know that I don't know uno. But uno give people this perception like say, me and uno have words in the past or something like that. No, nothing like that. Uno with no mad head, sick head, no good, pick up sitting pan on the head and start troll me. And that uno for take uno telling the followers them. And my mouth not join church. But true, no see me did quiet and I build my business in the process. So no think some of it soft. You understand? When I think my blood cleat soft. When I see me quiet and I be professional when it come on to my cape business, I was being professional building my cape business. This is the reason why I never answered a lot of what they were doing. It's not like I was soft. My brain was in a different space. Building my business as it should. As it should. You understand? But on consider it soft. Soft is soft. It's not soft. I was just ignoring, you know. But you never take my silence for a warning. You think my silence was weakness. It wasn't weakness. I was just in my own friggin' zone. Brushing it off and I kiss my teeth and I laugh off founder all the time. That's how I'm doing. I laugh off founder because I know who I am. Ask anybody who are close to me outside of social media. They'll tell you I can handle myself. Trust me. The funniest thing is their followers laugh and enjoy. No, everybody hurt. All of them hurt. They want to belong. No, them belong. No, them get what God them a serve. You understand? When you go sit, them need to go sit down, man, and go take care of them mash up marriage. Like nobody out here jealous of you thinking marriage. Move from your soul. Your man head big no blood cleat. Your man head big and round like a blood cleat bowling ball. Who jealous of you and your damn marriage? You look like one of them big blood cleat head. You look like a friggin' hedgehog. You saw you shape like a freaking hedgehog on him hind legs. Girl, go sit down. Nobody not jealous of you and your big round head husband. Move from here, sir. Me hear some me frightened for man over here, sir. Eh? You hear me frightened for man over here, sir? Me a man shortage, me a cocky shortage over here, sir, idiot to man. You over there talk about I run off your big thinking mouth in the dark and you shame. You shame like drunk crow. Now come out here, come chat them shit about all my tongue white and this and that and who nasty and who waste them time in a dance hall and blah blah blah. No, but want you for come out and talk the things them about your mash up marriage, drunk crow. Your closet, your bones them drop right out of the closet with your fake blood clot life. Go Go with your fake life. Go. She say, them they are Chicago, that's why they're in the dark. And when she talks like she's in her house. Then she thinks that, but, hey, go hey. All them fuck with the way I talk about. Oh, you waste them years and you don't know my life. You don't know my business. You don't know my life. So, okay, you know waste your years, right? You didn't waste your years and your life is so happy and you have a wonderful husband. So why aren't you further in life? Why is your face not on a plaque somewhere? Huh? Since you never waste your life. Come on now. You had the roadmap to life and success. Why isn't your face on a plaque somewhere? Hedgehog? Why aren't you a millionaire, hedgehog? You ever ask yourself that question? Pick the beam out of your ass eye before you point it on somebody else. Look at what couple you two are try style people and talk about people can size up to you and so who the hell is you? Why me want size up to you? You say you're big like so? You favor a big dirty hedgehog. Why would I want to size up to a big oversized mampy hedgehog like you? Couple you two. Look, you sweat so much. Why would I want to size up you? As you walk, you sweat. You can't tell you have a sweating problem. Girl, go see underneath your mouth. You know, I'm going to come off of my business page. I'm going to come off of my page. Let me come off of Facebook. Because I don't want it to be triggered where I get flagged. Let me get off of Facebook because the words that I have for you, I'm going over to YouTube with this shit. Where you think me gonna run and scream and cry? No, bitch. Me a push harder. You don't start shit yet, yeah? You don't start poop yet. What, me no gospel Sunday today? You damn heathens. You harlots. Huh? No gospel Sunday. I would have to come up on the phone. No gospel Sunday tonight, drunkra. You damn demon, you know. All that, you know. Every day on the company internet. Oh, gospel Sunday. Oh, oh, oh. I heard people years old. Gospel Sunday. Oh, 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 oh. The two demon, you know. When if I swallow the mic, one of the day they had to sing over the mic. Oh, oh, swallow the damn mic. With a wicked blood clot self. But I got brush your tongue. Blah, 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 blah. Make I ever buck your husband. Me tell you straight up, you know. Oh, don't play with me. Oh. Ah, we are sure see it and can. She can't take, wait a know, but she can't take what she throw, you know. She had throw the shade and can't handle it when people throw it back. What's the point? So why do you come online and frig with people you don't know? Edge ag? Big great one woman like uno a pick up people battles. Eh? You said look there. All your marriage business drop a road. You see what 99 to the whole of your belly drop a road about your cheating husband and your broke pocket self for your late mortgage paying ass, right? Look what 99 do. 99 over there sit on quiet like a church mouse. She don't say not even Same thing happen with the royal donkey. She just sit down You know why she have to sit down Because she have to compose herself under the birdie bun sitting with shadow. You see, she consider herself first. She not think about Uno. So when Uno compromise for Uno self and a fight for her battles them, you see what she do? She prioritize for herself. Because she knows that she have her little birdie bun contract they are going with herself. So she sit down there quiet like a blood clean church mouse. Quiet like a church mouse. Because she don't want to lose a little contract there what she have with Birdie. You think she business with Uno? Uno out there fight till the DEATH for her. You think she business? She a protect what she have. She don't give two shit about Uno. So when Uno come out, a fight till the DEATH for her. What's the point? Uno have something you need to protect. Uno have no own kids and uno family and uno husbands and uno lifestyle for protect. We want to come out here and put them things in a jeopardy for that woman there for. No, I'm not show him that video there. No, because I don't want him flag my page. No. I have to go look for the video. I see it now, but I don't know where I see the video. I see it the other day when I go through my files them.